Gas prices still creeping higher. The national average $3.96, according to AAA. That is up more than $1 since last month. The average cost for a gallon around here, $5.27, and that is up 94 cents from last month. And joining us this morning to talk more about the spike in gas prices is Patrick DeHaan with Gas Buddy, joining us once again. Patrick, good morning to you.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
Well, this morning, President Donald Trump says there could be a resolution to the war in Iran. And if that were to happen this week, how long would it be for drivers to see relief at the pump?
Well, it's still a little bit of a complex situation. That is, while President Trump maybe is saying that he's having talks, Iran is denying that. So we'll have to sort that out. But if it does hold true, it likely reduces the risk in the Middle East, especially through the Strait of Hormuz. Oil prices are dropping quite a bit this morning on that potential. WTI crude oil down 10%. If all of this holds up and checks out, we could start to see gas prices hitting a peak early this week or maybe midweek, and then we could start to see prices rolling back downward by close to the end of the weekend. And that's something that could continue depending on how long and how the situation unfolds. Could continue for a while, or it could be interrupted by new developments in these talks.
Can you explain how oil prices and gas prices are related?
Well, certainly the key ingredient in gasoline is crude oil. And so the price of oil going down has a near immediate impact on the price of gasoline going down as well. And everything is set based on spot markets. I know Americans get confused. They see oil for May delivery, June delivery. All of it is really influenced by the spot market. That is the today price. And so if oil goes down today, we're not going to have to wait 2 months to see gasoline decrease. Prices will start decreasing rather immediately, but still, the situation is certainly not super clear on exactly what is being discussed and what that could translate to. Oil prices today are merely declining on the possibility, or at least the optimism, that there are talks happening. What develops out of those talks is likely to be influential in the weeks ahead. So for now, a little bit of light at the end of the tunnel. Hard to know exactly if these talks are going to translate into agreements.
So how will this impact the type of fuel the gas stations switch to during the summer? Can we expect higher prices over the summer?
Not necessarily. Much of that summer gasoline transition has already really started. In fact, some places it's ending now, with the transition to summer gasoline already done across much of the West Coast. So that is something that's now behind us, though it was a factor in prices going up in the last few weeks. So moving forward, as we continue to stay on summer gasoline, there has been talk from the Trump administration that they may waive that requirement. Though we haven't seen anything concrete yet, that could also push prices down if the requirement to summer gasoline or to use it is waived.
It's $5.27 a gallon in our state. That is up 94 cents from last month. It's incredible. Is this a record?
The pace of increases has, yes, been record-setting, and Seattle is only about 25 cents a gallon away from its all-time record back in 2022 when it comes to gasoline. And by the way, diesel is only 10 cents a gallon away from being record-setting above the $6 mark.
Patrick DeHaan with Gas Buddy. Thanks so much. Appreciate your time.
Thanks for having me.